हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। किताबें तब्दील हो रही हैं, सिंगल नेशनल करिकुलम इम्प्लीमेंट हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी तक किताबें मार्केट में नहीं हैं। तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि इन्हीं बुक्स के साथ अपना काम जारी रखें जब तक किताबें हमें मिलती। वीक 2 के होमवर्क की तरफ हम जाते हैं और क्लास 7 SST Day 5 what qualities helped Muhammad strengthen Muslim rule in India. He was against any creed and caste system. He was very humble. He offered prayer standing with his slave Ayaz. ये मोहम्मद नहीं महमूद है, महमूद अय्याज। Science class 7 Day 5 describe the male and female reproductive parts of a flower. The androecium is the male part of the flower. It consists of stamen, filament, anther, and pollen sacs. The gynecium is the female part of the flower that consists of carpel, ovary, ovule, style, and stigma. English class 7 Day 5. Who was oldest among the children and who was the youngest? How can you tell? The Meg was eldest and mine was the youngest. I guessed it from the talk of them when playing the role of Pilgrim's Progress. Computer class 7 Day 5. What are input devices and what are output devices? The devices which are used to input data into the computer are called input devices, and the devices that are used to get some output are called output devices. Day 6, Class 7 SST. Why did Mahmud invade India? Ghaznavi ruler Behram Shah killed 2 Ghori brothers. The third brother took revenge of his brothers and took over the Ghaznavid Empire. Science class 7. What is skeleton? What are the different types of skeleton found in animals? The hard material which supports and gives shapes to the body of an animal is called the skeleton. English class 7 Day 6. Wealth and status do not matter here. Why does the writer say this? What is he talking about? Wealth and status does not matter here. The writer is saying about Mahmud and Ayaz that how did they went into the mosque. They went into the same space, same mosque. So money and status do not matter here. Computer 7. Define the brain of the computer and name its components. CPU is the brain of the computer, which consists of processor, LU, and ALU. All these are the components of the system. Day 7 SST. How did Ghori rule begin in Ghazni? As in the result of revenge of his brothers and took over of Ghazni Empire, thus the Ghori rule started over India. Science 7th. Define respiration. Respiration is the process of breathe in and breathe out the gases in nature to get energy from the food. English class 7. One fall and they all break. Who says this? What is he referring to? Why does he say this? Ahmed wants to say that if the toys fall, they will break. He says so to satisfy himself because he could not buy the toys. Computer class 7. What 2 दफा लिखा हुआ है, ये 1 दफा लिखना है. What the main function of the arithmetic logical unit? The function of arithmetic and logic unit is to solve the arithmetic problems and logical function between them. Day 8 SST. Who was Prithviraj? Prithviraj was Hindu Raja. He was the ruler of Ajmer and Delhi he defeated the Salahuddin Ghori in the Battle of Tarian near Lahore, first time. Science class 7, day 8. What gas is needed for respiration? Oxygen gas is needed for human beings for respiration. English class 7. Why does Hamid stop at the hardware shop? He stops at the hardware shop to buy the tongs for his mother. Computer class 7, day 8. What is an operating system? Operating system is a software which states, runs and keeps on running the computer. It has basic instruction to the computer. ये डे 8 का और सेकंड वीक का होमवर्क क्लास वर्क है जो आपने तवज्जो और मेहनत के साथ करना है। अगर कोई गलती या कोई आपको मसला है तो अपनी टीचर से कंसल्ट करें।